Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to transfer gas using pressure pump. If you have 50 kg for retailers, if you have 50 kg like this, look at the way this one is turned upside down. It's turned upside down. Then you now connect your gas inlet hose. See the connection from the 50 kg cylinder. Because I can connect 250 kg at the same time, I spread the hose. So this one will now enter this. Then I'll join it with pressure pipe. I still have my control there. The hose run through that side because it is already installed. Let's go to the machine. The pressure pump itself. Look at the pressure pump. I caged it for security reasons. Then look at the pump. Then that inlet hose run from that back from the 50 kg and enters here. This is gas inlet connection. Then it passed through the machine. This thing is rotating, now exerting pressure. Then from that inlet, it will go to the outlet. Look at the outlet. See the outlet. And now run the outlet from that place. See how where it came out from. Then go to my digital scale where I normally measure the gas. Look at the outlet hose. Then the refilling head follows. That is how the connection is. Then this is the scale. Then this is the control switch, because I have to make the control switch to be closer to where you are refilling the gas. This is the electrical part of it. Then let me show you how it works. If I have 12.5 kg like this, I will now fix my refilling head like this. This is my refilling head. Fix my refilling head. See it, you lock it. Then the next thing is just to on your digital platform scale. If you on the scale, you input your unit price, you then on the tap to start running. You must on this refilling head before you switch on the machine. That is the rule. I now switch up the machine. It's now working. Don't mind the speed, you just the camera and make it as if it is slow. Move the speed so that you can go sure.